All right, you all, welcome. I'm going to walk you all through a property tax proration problem. This is Tori, aka Real Estate Tori. Be sure to like and subscribe. I'm recording the audio after I recorded the video, so hopefully things will go smoothly. All right, so we've got a property that was sold with the closing on July 31st with taxes of $2,100. What's going to be the prorated amount? So the very first thing you do in proration questions is draw out your timeline from January through December and putting that tax due date there. In Georgia, that's going to be July 1st. And then I'm putting the closing date of July 31st there. So if the taxes were due and paid on July 1st, the seller already paid the bill for the entire year. So we already know that this is a question where the buyer is going to owe the seller for their portion of the year that they own the property, which is going to go from August 1st through December 31st. We're skipping July 31st, because in the state of Georgia, it's assumed that the seller is paying for the closing date. So the seller is paying for July 31st. So the buyer's portion doesn't start until August 1st, okay? So we're going to write out our months here. We're going to go August, September, October, November, December. Those are the months that the buyer owes for. And then we're going to jot down the number of months or number of days in each month. So August has 31 days, September has 30, October 31, November 30, December 31, for a total of 153 days. Now that we have the number of days, we're going to take the annual tax amount, which is $2,100 in this question, and we're going to divide that by 365. Again, in the state of Georgia, we're using actual days. That's going to give us a daily rate, $5, I believe. So $5 and roughly 75 cents. We're not going to clear the calculator out. And then we're going to multiply that times the 153 days that the buyer owes for a total tax proration of $880.27. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. This is pretty straightforward. Again, the first thing you want to do is draw out your timeline. Make sure that you're walking yourself through the question. If the bill was already paid, then obviously the buyer is going to owe from the time that they purchased the home through closing. Again, we're going to start the day after closing because the seller is paying for the day of closing. We're also going to assume that we're using actual days, so 365 days, and actual days in the month for the state of Georgia. Again, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share this video to one of your classmates. Thanks.